So to be honest with you, a few months ago, I stopped reviewing any and all true wireless earbuds because they all, for the most part, they look the same, feel the same, and sound the same. And the only reason I decided to review this one is because this company, Tribit, I have reviewed their other audio products and I like them. As a matter of fact, recently I did a review of this headset, which by the way, the giveaway is still going. I have not drawn a name at the time I'm recording this video. So if you're interested in entering the drawing for this noise canceling headset, I'll put a link to the video somewhere up here or down in the description. So check it out. But in particular, I've been very impressed with their wireless, waterproof Bluetooth speaker. And this, I have recommended it as the best Bluetooth speaker you can get under 50 bucks. And I still recommend it, and I personally use it. It is very bassy, very clear. Sound does not get distorted, and the list goes on and on. But anyway, so that's why I decided to review this one today. Let's get the disclaimer out of the way. They did send this to me for free, but I'm not being paid to review this product, and Tribit does not get to see or make comment about my review before this goes published. As always, I was able to negotiate and get a giveaway unit available for one of my lucky viewers. So if you do want to participate in the giveaway of this true wireless earbuds, not this unit, a brand new one, they will send it to you. All you need to do, like and subscribe to this video, drop a comment, let me know you're interested in entering the drawing, and you're gonna drop a direct message, a DM in my Instagram account. Just write Tribit, and that's how I know you want to enter this drawing. And by the way, my name is Sean. This is my tech channel. So if you enjoy videos like this, you will want to hit that subscribe button. As a matter of fact, less than about 2% of you guys that are watching my videos subscribe to my channel. So if you like videos like this, you may want to subscribe. And when you turn on the notification, change the bell notification to all so you won't miss any of my videos. This video does not have any sponsor, so I'm gonna have a shameless plug and tell you about my own products that I've been selling on Amazon. These are primarily iPhone 12 accessories. So I have several different cases, MagSafe cases with the magnet, frosted cases, carbon fiber look, and a magnetic power bank that Apple is gonna come out with soon. This, as we speak, is sold out. I have ordered a few hundred more. I'm just waiting for production and to be sent from China. So it may be a couple of months for that, but I will have the link to all these products down below. Let's open up this case and see what we got. Flybuds C1 by Tribit. It uses Bluetooth 5.2. It has a Qualcomm QCC3040 chip inside, CD quality, audio. It has 4 speakers that would help with noise canceling. So when you're talking, the other person on the other end can have a very clear voice from your side. Total of 50 hours of playtime. So 12 hours in the earbuds itself and 38 hours from the case. So collectively 50 hours of playtime. And with 10 minutes of charge, you get 1.5 hours of playtime. There is a physical button on the stem itself that will give you control such as play, pause, activate Siri, and things like that. The owner's manual, thank you card, and this is the content of the box itself. So it's interesting, they have the earbuds in a separate tray. Then you have total of, looks like, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other sets of replaceable tips that you can change. So huge plus that it charges using a USB Type-C. So a USB Type-A to USB Type-C. That is fantastic. And the case itself. To compare that to an AirPods Pro, so it's about the same width and height, but it's just chunkier, as you can see. It is clicky. So this is your pair button, and we're gonna go ahead, pair it, and listen to some sound. When you open it up, you get your battery level, so it actually comes fully charged. They only come in black. It has this really nice accent red color. So you have these small prints that it tells you which one's right and which one's left, right on the earbuds. So the seal that these create it automatically is canceling a lot of the noise, and I can barely hear the noise in the room. It's as if you almost like plug your ear. So if you plug your ear with your own fingers, that's how I can hear the voice kind of like in my own head. Let's play some music and see how it sounds.
People want to talk that talk in reality. You have not seen me in action. You think the come up comes overnight. You ain't behind the scenes. Trust me, these things don't just happen.
So it is super loud, and to test the bass and make sure it's not getting distorted at a high volume, I'm listening to some rap music, and I can turn it all the way up, which I don't recommend doing it because it gets really loud and it's not good for your ears. But the sound doesn't really get distorted, which is very impressive. Now, don't get me wrong, it's still not the AirPods Pro quality, but for around $60 or so that I think you get with this, it is much better than I anticipated because, like I said, I've reviewed a ton of different earbuds in this price point. So let me listen to a couple more different genres. So it does not have the sensors to auto pause when you take it out of your ear. Some people like it, some people don't, but just know that it doesn't exist. You know what? Hold on. This for a second sounded really good. I need to compare it with the AirPods Pro real quick. So this is Justin Bieber's song, Anyone. And you know what? This is, listening back to back, it actually seems pretty impressive. Hold on. So here's a conclusion after comparing them with the AirPods Pro. They actually are louder, they are bassier, and the sound does not get distorted even at maximum volume. The sound still not as, the notes are not as crisp as this one. So this still gives you more of like a hi-fi audio listening. But this one is just a loud, bassy audio, clear, but not as crisp as the AirPods Pro. The other thing is, since we're talking about pros and cons, like I said, price and design are definitely at the top. The audio level and the bass is also a plus. Couple things. This does not have wireless charging. It's only USB Type-C, which the port is at the bottom. And this does not have the pass-through port like the AirPods Pro does. So when you put it, when you plug it in, it kind of creates that seal and that pressure that you feel in your ear every time you have these type of earbuds. And by the way, both stems, they actually have a physical button on them, which is very interesting because I don't think I've seen this design. Typically you have those taps, which is weird. Every time you tap on it, it puts this air pressure on your ear canal, but this one has the button on the stem and it's available on both of them. This concludes the review. So do I recommend this? At the end of the day, that's what it will come down to. So as long as you understand what this offers for its price, the audio level and audio quality you get is absolutely fantastic. Some of the cons, just as a reminder, this does not have wireless charger. This does not have the pass-through port or some sort of transparency mode. So you feel that pressure on your ear when you plug these in, because it creates a passive noise canceling situation by fully creating an air seal in your ear canal. So just kind of keep those in mind. If those things don't bother you, there is a lot to love about these things. The battery life, the price, the design, the actual physical button on both stems for you to be able to do a lot. Because they're physical button, you don't have to worry about accidental pushes and taps on your earbuds. So it's a physical button and you actually feel and hear the click every time you press it. So this was it. If you guys interested in the giveaway, don't forget to head over to my Instagram account, send me a DM, just say Tribit, and drop a comment down below. And if you're one of the 98% who watch my videos but did not subscribe, why not? If you like these videos, just go ahead, do it. If you don't like my next video, just don't watch it. Thank you so much for watching. This is all I had. If you got any questions, drop a comment down below. I'm out.
People want to talk that talk in reality. You have not seen me in action. You think the come up comes overnight. You ain't behind the scenes. Trust me, these things don't just happen. No shade to Gerald, but geez, don't come easy when you trying to eat out producing and rapping. I read that contract you sent me to sign, but excuse me, I can't help myself. I'm just laughing. Hey, you trying to cut out a piece of my pie, and I asked you politely, what's it that you offer me? yeah. I produce all my own beats and I have no intention of losing my publisher, yeah. Independent individual, boy, I've been eating off passive residuals, yeah. Let's be professional. Thanks for your time, but I had to decline at that principle. I've been scheming up a plan, hey. I've been saving all I can, hey. You could call me David Ramsey. The way I handle these bands, hey. We ain't messing with the old model. New era, new kid, we full throttle. Just know that the come up is not a flaw. My amigos, they focus, know what to do. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it.